Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing. This is my third Stitch Fix box. Plus I got two FabFitFun boxes this month. My starter box and my fall box. Then I got my Boxy Luxe and I still have Snack Crate coming. So I feel like I've been doing a lot of unboxings and not very much actual makeup other than I guess I have been doing makeup too, but I just feel like I haven't. Anyways, I love Stitch Fix so much. I hope you like watching those videos because there's going to be a lot of them. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a $20 subscription clothing box where you put in all your information, your size, what you like. You can link your Pinterest account so they can look at your clothes, and they will send you clothes, accessories, shoes, everything that you need. They send you 5 items so you don't have to go to the store and shop, and you get to look and try on all these clothes. If you don't like it, you send back what you don't want. You keep what you want to keep and then you pay for it. So the box is $20 itself, and that you are paying for a styling fee. If you don't purchase anything out of that box, that $20 just disappears. It goes towards, like I said, the styling fee. You don't get to see it back. But if there's something that you like from that box, that $20 goes towards an item. I will say the items are it's a pretty expensive, they're pretty expensive clothes, and I chose all the cheapest items. I'm like, give me the cheap stuff. Because you can choose, I like expensive, I like moderate, and I'm like cheap, 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 cheap. Well, that's what I like. I'm a cheapo. I don't like spending a lot of money on clothes. Here's the box. I already opened it. I already tried it all on. This is the bag that you get to send everything back in. Everything that you don't want to keep back in. You send it in there. Then you get a cutesy little envelope with a card that has a personalized note from your stylist. My stylist's name is Elise. I just told her basically send me outfits, whatever. They give you a personalized note, and then you get little pictures here. Each one has an item that you received from in the box, and then it gives you different options of what they think will pair well with it. So I got this bodysuit. They say to pair it with a jacket and some pants and shoes that look like that, and you know, you get the gist. A little skirt that looks like that. I'm like, why didn't they send me that jacket? Like, I want that. And that's one thing that I don't get. Like, I asked her to send me an outfit. So, in my mind, why wouldn't you just send me that whole outfit then? If you think it pairs well with that, send all of that to me. Because I don't have the rest of that. Just send that to me. You know what I mean? Also, I love the shirt in that picture. Wow. That's one thing that I kind of don't understand, because they send you items, like in this box, that don't go together, and that it just... Like when I asked for an outfit, I meant for things to go together, which I mean, some of these did go together, but you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So anyways, moving past that, the next thing in the box, this is the total value of all the items, how much you pay, blah, blah, blah. Also, the other thing is, if you end up buying all 5 items, you get 25% off of everything. You get your $20 that you already paid for the box for, you get that off, plus the 25% off of, you know, what you paid. I already tried on the clothes, so I'm just going to show them to you and tell you my thoughts, and you'll see on the screen somewhere me trying them on. Let's start with these pants. These are the VIGOSS MARISA Distressed Skinny Jeans in the shade Indigo, size 2. These are $58 jeans. Let me button these up for you. Okay, so the wash, looking at them on camera, I like them more than I do in person. This is a beautiful wash. You've got your minor distressing here, like not enough distressing where there's actual holes. You do have just this tiny one here, which I like because, like the last pair that I purchased, they had the bigger holes towards, you know, in the knees, and I feel like they're not going to last as long, and I do believe I paid more for them. So you've got your just distressing here, and this is the biggest one. I guess you got one on the other side too, but just really cute, minor distressing. The back is really cute. So I really liked these jeans. These are the mid-rise, so they go up a little higher, which I do like. The only problem, I like them because I like to cover my belly, but I also don't like them because I have such a short torso that if I wear like the shirt that I wore with it, just kind of, I feel like, looks silly on me. But anyways, I guess past that, oh, look at waist 26, length 29. This is a good length on me. So anyways, mid-rise, They fit so comfortable. Same thing with the first pair of jeans that I got from Stitch Fix is they fit. Oh my God, I've never gotten jeans that fit so well in my life. I've been shopping at all the wrong places apparently, because holy crap, and they stretch. When you bend down, you don't get this uncomfortable crunchy jean feeling, you know. They're just comfy and I really, really like them. Okay, so the next item I actually wore with that and is an item that I'm fairly certain I'm going to keep. I gotta figure it out first. What in the world? This next item is by LUSH. This is the SAMMI cutout bodysuit, and thank you to my stylist for peeking at my Pinterest account because I had pinned like 3 black bodysuits, and she's like, I got you, girl, and look what I got. Okay, so from here it's like, oh, you know, that's cute. It's an off the shoulder, you can wear it up to, but it's off the shoulder, beautiful bodysuit. Best part is the back. Like it says in the description, it's got the cutout. Oh, it's so beautiful. So these 2 pieces of fabric overlap, and then you have your cutout in the back. It is such a nice fabric. It's comfortable to wear, like the snaps itself doesn't get in the way. It just feels comfortable all the way around. It's a little tight on me, but I don't mind. It's a bodysuit, it's supposed to be tight, so that's fine. The only problem with this on my body is I have such a short torso that the cutout in the back was really hard to see when I had it on. That might be partly because I was wearing it with the mid-rise jeans. I feel like if I was wearing it with a cute skirt or even a pair of shorts or something with a lower waistline, it would look better and be able to show the cutout more. But because I have I've got a short little stubby torso, I feel like if you had a long torso, this would be freaking beautiful. But I still like it. I don't care. This is $34 and I'm going to be keeping that. The next item I also tried on with the jeans. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Poplar Cowl Neck Brushed Knit Tap. So it's gray, cream, and then burgundy, and we've got this, like the scrunchy wide neck part. Like it's not a turtleneck, but it sits and then it, you know, do you know what I mean? Some drawstring burgundy, and then it's really long. The fabric itself is so soft on the outside, and then the inside, like the outside is a little more fluffy, the inside is a little more silky. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what kind of fabric it is. It's just really nice. It's very comfortable. I think maybe with leggings and some booties it would look cute. I don't have leggings, surprisingly enough. I mean, I have exercise workout leggings, but not like a good pair of leggings to wear with a longer shirt, because I thought this looked funny with the jeans also because it's so long. I even tried to knot it up a little bit, tuck it in, but I still feel like there was too much fabric there, or maybe if I had a lower rise jeans it could look better tucked in, but overall, it just did not work out the best. This is $38, which I don't think is a bad price, but it's just not my favorite. I am not going to be keeping it. All right, the last clothing item is this jean jacket. This is by Prosperity. It is the Jolene Stretch Denim Jacket in the color blue, and this retails for $68. It's not that bad. I'm very picky on jean jackets. And this one, I don't totally mind it. You've got some minor little distressing on the bottom and along the collar area. You got some nice little shallow pockets. It's cute. The best thing about this jean jacket is I could wear it right now and be perfectly comfortable. It's not a heavy jean jacket. It is super thin, so it's comfortable to wear where you're in the in-between stages where it's not cold enough to wear a big heavy jacket, but you still want to wear it. It's also too cold for like a t-shirt or a sleeveless shirt or sleeveless dress, which I did pair it with a sleeveless dress, and maybe the colors clashed too much because it was a blue dress as well, so it threw me off a little bit. It's not that I don't like it, but then again, I feel like the color for me is too blue, and the wash, I'll show you a close-up. I don't like that wash where it's like, I already know you're a jean jacket, but you're really a jean jacket. Do you know what I mean? Like the almost fake jean jacket. I mean, I know it's not like fake, but you know what I mean? I don't like the distress on this jacket at all. The fit is great. The weight is great. The comfort is amazing. Because my jean jacket is one of those hefty, jeans jacket. Like hard to move, crunchy jean. That's what my jean jacket is. It's freaking adorable though. But I would trade that for something more comfortable any day. But I don't like the looks of this one as much. So if I got a different jean jacket in the future, maybe I'd be up for it, but not today, sir. So I wanted to show you this jacket with a different outfit because I think the two blues were throwing me off together. And I'm just wearing this, it's an exercise shirt and my Nike just workout pants. So I think the jacket looks way cuter like this than it did with the dress. Still really comfy, so I'm debating on it even more now. I don't know. Do I want it? Let me show you my other jacket. Let's go try on the other jacket first. Okay, this is the jacket that I already have. So after putting this one on again, I do like this one way better. I like the wash of it. It's really hard to tell in the lighting I'm in right now, but super pretty. Again, this one has pockets too, a little more distressing. This is Lucky brand, and I got this at TJ Maxx for I think $30. The sleeves are a little bit short. That's why this one is rolled up. It's a little more uncomfortable wearing it rolled up. But it's not as thick and uncomfortable as I was thinking, and it's not snaps. It's also the regular buttons like the other one. So I don't know what I was thinking before. So I'm definitely not going to get the other jacket just because I already have this one. This is way cuter, I think. Although the other one, I mean, it is really comfy, and I really like it, but I'm going to stick with this one. I just wanted to show it to you with a different outfit in case any of you guys were interested in getting a jean jacket, because it's still a cute jean jacket. Last item here I did not try on yet. These are by Kate Spade. It even comes with a little pink bag. Oh. Kate Spade small square studs in the shade light pink, and these are $38. Do I like these? See, online I'm keeping those for sure. Now looking at them, that color is not pink. They look really yellow. I don't think I like that color. Darn it, and I was really excited about those. There's nothing special about them. They're just one giant big stud. Did I tell you how much these are? They're $38. $38 for earrings, guys. That's a lot. Whatever, I'm not getting these. I'm gonna pop these right back on. That is the whole box. But do you guys understand where I'm coming from now? Where, like, you know, I said, send me an outfit, but nothing here really actually paired together, because like this jean jacket, I'm not gonna wear that jean jacket with those jeans. It didn't, those don't match one bit. The black top worked fine with it, but I think and that's just maybe on my part because I've got such a short torso. If it were a lower rise jeans, it would have been better, or a skirt. And then that knit top, I guess that knit top could have gone with it, but do you know what I'm saying? Like, send me an outfit that's on the card. Am I the only one thinking that? Okay, let's go over prices. They all total up to $236. If you buy all of them, you get a 25% discount. That's $59, so that takes your total down to $177. I have $25 credit instead of $20 for some reason. If I bought all 5 items, it would be $152. For the items that I want, the bodysuit, that's $34. So if I just got that, subtract the $20 for it, I just pay an extra $14. If I got both the jeans and the bodysuit, which I'm still debating on, I don't know yet, that would be $92. Subtract the $20, that would be $72 for both items, which I really don't think is bad for a pair of nice jeans and a really cute bodysuit. I'll keep you updated in the description box, let you know what items I kept. If you guys have any questions at all regarding Stitch Fix, please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.